Hello guys, I will show you this Miyuki Beaded Ladybug pattern how to make. To make it, we need Miyuki beads, three color, and I will use this time a stopper bead because of I do it peyote stitch technique. And Miyuki yarn, I will use this yarn. Number is here. And bead needle. To start, I am taking a stopper bead taking 11 number turquoise color bead. Take one turquoise color and getting through in this second bead and first bead here. Take a bead and I left one bead here and second bead I am getting through in. Lifting a bead here and second bead I am getting through in. Take one bead and getting through in this second bead. I left this bead here. Take one bead and left one bead and second bead I am getting through in. Here I will use odd count technique. Take one bead, getting through in this bead. My yarn is here. Getting through in this two bead like that. Turning like that. My yarn is here and getting through in this two or maybe or three bead like that. You can. Turning and my yarn is here. And my yarn is here. Take one turquoise bead here, getting to in bead and placed here. Take one bead and getting to in this bead, and I will place this bead here. Placed. Take one bead, getting to in this bead and placed here. Take turquoise bead and getting to in this bead. Take turquoise and I will be placed it here. And placed. Turning and take one turquoise bead and getting to in this bead. My yarn is here. Up. Take turquoise placed here, getting to in bead. Turquoise. Here I will do odd count technique like that, getting through in this 2 bead. My yarn is up and turning, getting through in this. My yarn is here and I am getting through in this bead. Turning, getting through in this bead, and my yarn is up here. Take turquoise, take turquoise, take black bead, getting to in this bead, take turquoise, here turning, take bead and here. Turquoise, Take red, red, turquoise, here I am doing again out count, getting through in this 2 bead, turning, and in this bead getting through, my yarn is here, take a bead, take a red, getting through in this red bead, take a black, getting through in this red bead, and placed, take a red, take a bead, take a red color bead, and here take a red bead and getting through in this black bead, place, take a red, my yarn is here, getting through in this bead, red bead, take a red, and getting through in this turquoise bead. Pull the yarn and place, getting through in this bead, and in this bead, turning like that, take a turquoise, take a black, take a black bead and getting through in this red bead, take a black, through in this red bead, take turquoise, take red, getting through in this black bead, and placed, take red, red, take red, getting to in this 2 bead, turning, pull the yarn.